Hi guys, it's Fat Petrolhead here, and today we talk about CVT transmissions. CVT gearbox that you can find in more than half of all Japanese models is well known for being extremely unreliable. However, I met several owners of cars with CVT transmissions that ran more than 200,000 kilometers, even closer to 300k, and there were no problems. And on this mileage, almost 300,000 kilometers, they were not broken, they just sold their cars. So how to reach this mileage without any problems, and how to make your CVT transmission as reliable as classic automatic gearbox. And let me start from the usage recommendation, and then we go to the maintenance. First, CVT gearbox is engineered for very calm drivers, and it doesn't like high speeds. The maximum speed that you can go without overheating on CVT transmission, I mean the long way, is about 140 kilometers per hour. You can go a little bit faster without overheating, but only when your radiators is absolutely clean. That we would discuss a little bit later. The second crucial rule is to avoid quick starts from the standing position. There are no problems with overtaking on CVT gearbox, but don't try to impress someone with your car acceleration from the start. The third thing you should always keep in mind is that CVT gearbox is absolutely not for an off-road. Yes, I know it is very strange that Japanese car makers decided to install this transmission in almost all SUVs, but no. Don't go off-roading on CVT gearbox. And here I mean any off-road, even a deep snow, when you need to turn off the traction control system to let your wheels spin. By the way guys, please press the like button if you enjoy watching this video and subscribe to Fat Petrolhead channel. The fourth rule to prolong life of your CVT gearbox, or even not to kill it immediately, is not to tow anything. Never. Even if the car manufacturer installed some special device to tow something and limited the weight, never do it. And the fifth thing that kills your CVT transmission is climbing a curb. But for CVT it is dangerous when you do it slowly and carefully. That's strange, but it works like that. So, if you need to climb somewhere, do it with some speed. Okay, let's move on to the CVT gearbox maintenance requirements. And I would say that among all types of transmissions, CVT is the most demanding to gearbox fluid quality. It should be always fresh and always original, and it is better to change it every 30-40,000 kilometers, not more than 50 for sure. Yes, even if the car manufacturer recommends you to do it every 60 or 80,000 kilometers. The CVT gearbox works with only one belt managing all car torque, and that means that you need to lubricate this system properly. And also it means that you need to keep this system in the right temperature mode. And that is why you need to maintain your radiators regularly. In modern CVT transmission, usually you will find additional radiator just cooling the CVT system. In older models, it is cooled by the main radiator of your car. But in both situations, you need to keep this radiator or radiators very clean. Not only changing the coolant, but also removing radiators every 2-3 years and cleaning them properly. I already have a video on my channel how dirty radiators can kill your engine. So if you are interested why you need to clean them, then watch this video. So let's sum up what leads to the long life of your CVT transmission. No speeding, no fast accelerations, no off-roading, no climbing a curb, and also no towing. Keep your radiators clean and also change gearbox fluid regularly. It could sound a little bit strange, why would you buy such car with CVT transmission to avoid all these things? But in reality, CVT transmissions are getting more and more reliable, and also they are ideal for very calm drivers. And also it is much cheaper to repair CVT gearbox than the classic automatic transmission, and that is of course a plus. Please share below your experience of driving car cars with CVT transmissions. Thank you and see you soon, or right now if you click one of these two videos. I hope you will enjoy them as well, and don't forget to subscribe to Fat Petrolhead channel. Here we talk about non-boring cars and how to prolong their lives.